Welcome back, financial enthusiasts. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that could reshape your entire approach to wealth creation. Picture this. What if you could adopt the mindset that turns ordinary individuals into millionaires? Well, today's your lucky day. But here's the real question. Are you ready to break free from financial limitations? If your answer is yes, then you're in for a treat. Let's get started.
Have you ever wondered why some people achieve financial success faster than others? Do you often find it challenging to save and plan your finances? Want to know how to change your money mindset and attract more opportunities into your life? But before we discover the secrets in this video, let's hit that subscribe button for more content like this in the future. Financial freedom means having enough money to live comfortably without constantly worrying about it. It's not just about being super rich. The main reason many people struggle with money is because they lack self-discipline and control. Most of us can't resist spending everything we earn and then some, often using loans and credit cards. We all want to make more money, but we forget to ask if money alone makes us happy. Now, let's dive into the 7 simple steps to financial freedom. Positive money thoughts. Start by thinking positively about money. Get rid of negative beliefs like, money is evil, or, money can't make you happy. Positive thinking can attract opportunities. Daily goal setting. Write down your financial goals every day. Spend a few minutes in the morning thinking about how to achieve them. This keeps you focused on your money goals. Plan your day. Plan your day ahead of time, preferably the night before. This helps you stay organized and in control. It's easier to save money when you know where it's going. Concentrate on what matters. Focus on things that matter most for your financial goals. Concentration is a crucial skill for success. Spend your time wisely. Invest in learning. Invest in yourself by learning about money. Listen to audio programs, take courses, read books, and look for money advice online. Knowledge can help you make more money. Reflect and learn. After important meetings or events, ask yourself what you did right and what you could do better next time. This reflection helps you grow and improve your financial situation. Be generous. Treat everyone you meet as if they're the most important person in the world. Being generous attracts wealth and makes you happier. Money may not buy happiness, but it plays a big role in a comfortable life. By focusing on these steps and maintaining a positive attitude towards money, you can achieve financial freedom and lead a happier life. If you found this helpful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to support this channel. Remember, changing your future starts with taking action now. Tell us about your financial goals in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.